You know, tiger women. First of all, I love albino tigers. They're so cute.
Right?
But tiger women, if like if the guy has to like pee on a tree or whatever, to like ask, hey, can I sleep with you? And then if the girl didn't say yes or allow him to, and he comes to try and sleep with her, she'll kill him.
Yeah.
It's Gabby from Sofa Dreams, and I just picked up Matt. We are actually headed to a day of adventure and fun, as always. And today we're going to National Geographic photo gallery, right?
Photo gallery.
And we're also going to pop in on a real estate company that specializes in modern homes and condos in the South Florida area. So we are going to pop in, have them speak to us for a bit, get some more information for you guys. We really wanted today to be, since it's so beautiful out and hot, very hot, we did not want to have to walk around too much today. So we're kind of staying in the Fort Lauderdale area, staying indoors because I'm wearing all black. He's wearing a black top, and this is not the day. This is not the day to be outside. And it's humid. It's raining on and off. If you're in South Florida, you know right now it is summer, so that means that it's raining every single day just because the sun came out. We're bringing you guys along with us. This should be fun. I'm really excited about the National Geographic Gallery because I've always passed by it in the Fort Lauderdale area, but I never actually had a chance to go inside, and so I figured this would be a good opportunity to go since we're going to be in downtown area anyways. And Matt's excited.
Yeah, I just want to see it. I like the NatGeo science stuff.
Yeah, I love that stuff. I love animals. I have a dog. You know, he's kind of vicious. You know, people say, oh, does he bite? I say he has teeth. So approach at your own risk. Pulled up and parked. We are headed, like I said, to the National Geographic Picture Gallery. I mean, while we're passing by these places, we might as well just bring you guys along so that we can give you a mini tour of the downtown area. I don't know why I have to get on British every time I feel official, but I do. So our first stop is the National Geographic Gallery. Then we're going to a few realty companies to pop in, speak to them. While I have Matt here, it's gonna be my wingman, right?
Yeah, you already know.
So I have to put the bag over their head, and he's the one that's gonna put them in the trunk.
I zip tie him to the chair.
Exactly. Oh, you know that's the FSC bar, American Social.
Gallery, we're all non-profit. This is our own National Geographic photojournalism. We have about 60 different photojournalists so far that we represent, and different subjects from wildlife to landscape to underwater. Images here are all published. Most of them are published, and some are covers of our magazine. You know, for sale, so you can buy this in different sizes and framing options, signed by the artist, individually signed.
How did they catch that? That's crazy. How did they catch an
This
eagle?
is in a sanctuary in Sitka in Alaska. A rescued eagle. They found him on the road in Alaska with a gunshot wound. They saved him. Now he's in Sitka in Alaska, the biggest American eagle sanctuary in Alaska.
And so you were telling me that if you decide, let's say I decide I wanted this, I would go through with you and determine what size I want.
Yeah, the collectors will choose what size, the frames, the matting, and between 4 to 6 weeks time frame for us to deliver the artwork, ready to hang.
Ready to hang. Wow. And that was the biggest size?
Yes, 2 meter size or 72 inches by 48 dimensions. That's the next size down. And the smallest size is that image of a penguin there. In this wall.
Okay, so you guys, we have shown you what is in the National Geographic Gallery. He did say there are only 6 locations right now. They're actually opening a new one down in Miami. So if you're in South Florida, we're gonna have 2 locations. This is the only location in Fort Lauderdale on the East Coast. I'm glad that you guys got to come with us today. We'll be sure to link any information about how to get any of these pieces online for you so that you can actually see it and check them out yourself. I'm excited. I'm sure you're excited, and stay tuned for our next episode. Dragged me in there. It's an antique shop. They have pieces in there, like actual furniture pieces made out of airplane parts. We are going to definitely show you guys a little bit more about it. We just left. We're gonna have to bring you guys back, but we did want to let you know. And of course, construction. I love this stuff, and make sure to check it out. So we are now headed to drop this guy off. We finished our day today. Left downtown Fort Lauderdale, Las Olas, for those of you who are from South Florida. And today we showed you guys the National Geographic gallery, photo gallery thing. It was so bomb. There was a picture there of, I like landscape pictures, so I like the ocean and stuff like that. He likes more of the animals and the tigers, the bears and all that stuff. But you'll be able to get more information about the stuff that we saw. And then we also found this really cool antique place. He found it. He dragged me in there.
Daniel. Oh, but it's really dope. Like, there was a bunch of antique stuff,
and
but
they reuse stuff and sell it.
They repurposed. Yeah.
That's
so, like, old 747 jet planes were turned into like sofa chairs. Coffee table. Oh yeah, the propeller, like the engine was turned into a coffee table.
It was so cool.
Like How?
2. And then the final place was, where else we go?
Fine.
We got ice cream. We stopped at a real estate place, but
They were booty faces.
they were bourgeois. But are you vlogging right now? No? I want to see if the email us first before you do it, which I expected. But I wanted to stop there anyways because why not?
It was okay.
Yeah, let us know what you think in your favorite place, and especially with the National Geographic Gallery. It's a non-profit actually, which is something that I feel is very important to know. So a lot of the proceeds from what you purchase there, it goes to helping the animals and just the environment in general, which I love because at art galleries, the art will be expensive, but all of it is just for profit and goes to somebody for something. Whereas in this situation, it's still the same concept, but it's going to good cause. So I'm glad you guys got to come along with us. Matthew, as always, dragging us into places unplanned, but that's how we find some cool places, right? Stay tuned for the next time we bring you guys along, and thanks for watching. And don't forget to like and comment, you guys. Bye.
Peace.